everyone, it's Caritha. Welcome back to Essence of Polish. I hope you've been enjoying my videos, and if you have, please hit the like and subscribe button. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified when I upload a new video. So now let's get the video started. Today I'm going to be using some striping tape, and I got these from the Wish app. I've had them for a while now. I don't remember how much they cost, but I do remember I got them from the Wish app, and of course you can get these from eBay and Amazon. So let me take them out the packet for you so you can see what color they are. So here are the different colors. I have silver, white, gold with a holographic texture to it, like not texture but pattern, that's the word I'm looking for. A holographic pattern to it. Got purple, a regular gold with no holographic pattern, blue, pink, wait a second, okay, purple with a holographic pattern, and green. And to show you a life hack that I like to use, I'm going to show you with this red. I already have some cut out and I used white, but I'm going to show you what I did with this red so that you can see it. But I have this empty roll of clear Scotch tape, and I just pop the roll of striping tape on the little wheel and then just pull out the tape. But of course this thin little strip is not going to cut on the tape dispenser like regular tape, so I just pull it how long I want it and then cut with my nail scissors. And so that is how I made, well not made, but that's how I cut my striping tape. The color that I have on is New York Beauty Golden Peach, and the colors I'm going to be using is CoverGirl Snowstorm, Kiss Gel Partner, and P Squared Techno Galaxy. I'm going to be using my striping tape to create a pattern on my ring and thumbnail. I want to bring that down a little bit shorter. Bring that down a little bit more this way. Putting one down the middle, another one from the middle to the outside corner of my nail, and then the other side. One more on this side, well not one more but two more, and matching it up on the other side. And this was nowhere near enough striping tape. I need some more already. Well, not for this nail, but I can tell I'm gonna need some more. Once you have your striping tape all placed down, use your tweezer or orange stick to mesh it down to the corner, well not corner, the sides of your nail, so that no polish can leak through the underside. And you want to cut your striping tape long enough so that it won't be too short, and like you'll still have enough room to grab it and have enough to put on your nail. But if you're like me, it's kind of annoying when they're too long. so you can trim it a little bit, but don't trim it all the way to the side of your nail, because you want to leave a little bit left for you to grab when you pull up the tape. This one is alright because it's not sticking out everywhere. And I forgot I need a Yougurt lid, so I'll be right back. As you can see, I laid out the colors on my Yougurt lid, and now I'm just going to dig in here and paint the squares or the sections on my nail, which I could probably use a bigger brush. Yeah, using a small brush wasn't too bad, but let's try a bigger brush just to see how it does. Yeah, a lot quicker, but you could use a small brush if you wanted to. So I'm gonna clean off my brush, wipe it off on a paper towel, and then wipe it off, clean it with acetone, and then dip in the next color. Put this black right here. And when you're doing this, try not to go too far. Well, not even too far. Try not to go across the striping tape, because you don't want the color in the section where you're going to put another color. I've had on this gold polish for 2 days now, so my nails are definitely dry. But if you're doing this design or any design using striping tape, once you put down your base color, be sure to put on a quick dry top coat and make sure it is fully dry before you stick on the tape, because when you pull the tape up without using a top coat, it's going to peel up your base color, and you don't want that. So apply a quick fly, Lord have mercy. Apply a quick dry top coat, and it won't mess up your base color when you pull up the striping tape. Okay, so I did 2 coats of color on each section, and now what you want to do before it dries is pull up the striping tape, and it should show the gold base color underneath, and there you go. So I'm gonna clean this up and do this again on my thumb, and I'll be right back. is the finished look, and I think these colors look really good together. Like, I kind of want to do my whole hand like this, and I'm gonna do it one day because I feel like every time I use striping tape, I say I want to do my whole hand like that. But even though that's kind of time consuming to do both my hands with striping tape, I'm gonna do it one day because, like I said, I feel like I see that every time I use striping tape. But yeah, I definitely like the colors that I chose. I think they look really good together. Except for the gray that I used, the Techno Galaxy. It's basically a duochrome because in certain angles it looks purple, like it shifts from gray to purple. And I kind of like it better when it's gray, so probably would have been just as good if I would have used like a gunmetal gray that's not a duochrome. But I still like this color and this manicure all together. And a quick announcement, I am doing some upgrades to my channel, so leave a comment down below and take a guess at what my upgrades are gonna be. So you can leave that down below in the comment box. Please leave a like and subscribe if you liked this video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get notifications of all my uploaded videos. And thanks for watching.